small Harbor Freight belt sander, 1" by 30" sander. These things are so inexpensive, it's almost not worth it to make your own. $39 with a coupon. So when I'm making projects on the CNC machine, I have a lot of these tabs. And cutting these things down or sanding them down with my big sander is overkill. The big sander is heavy, makes a lot of dust, and I've got to haul the thing outside. So I thought we'd give this a try. Most folks seems like they use these for sharpening knives, but we'll see if this works for tabs and for some of these little birch cutouts for gears and parts. So let's open this up and see what we've got. As far as the weight, I think this is about 14 pounds. Compared to my big sander that I take outside, it's a whole lot heavier than that. So we've got our manual. An adjuster for that table. Smells like a Harbor Freight tool. Got our table there. Comes with a belt. And there we go. It's pretty straightforward. Go in there and belt that down. Bolt it down. Alright, so let's attach that, we'll plug it in and see what we've got. Okay, so let's plug this in and see what we've got. I haven't plugged it in or turned it on yet. The table goes on real easy. It's just an adjustment wrench and a little bolt there. Seem clear here? I haven't read the instruction manual yet. It's just a sander, but I haven't opened that up yet. Let's plug this in and see what we have. Hard to beat for the price. For small stuff, this will be just fine. We've got our tracking adjustment here, although this belt seems to be staying right in the center. But we can tweak that a little bit if need be. This is our spark guard here, plastic cover. To take the cover off here is one bolt. This piece comes off. Couldn't be simpler. and a little bit of dust control. Got rubber feet on the bottom. So it's really not moving around too much. I think that'll be fine. That'll work. Thanks very much for taking a look.